I'm sure you already know that ChatGPT and other agents have added a feature called Search to their chatbot services, which uses data from the internet to help generate responses. It's usually shown with this icon below the prompt box. By the end of this video, you'll understand the difference between writing a simple prompt and writing one with the search option turned on. Previously, to search the internet, you had to go to a search engine like Google and look things up manually. But now, you can do it directly inside the chatbot and get your answer in natural language. In the past, the search feature in ChatGPT was only available to premium and team users, but now it's available for everyone. To use the search feature in ChatGPT, just click the icon until it turns blue. As soon as you turn it on, you'll see some trending suggestions. Let's try a few prompts and see the kind of answers we get. What are the dangerous hours to walk on Memphis Street? You can see that the answer is being searched from various websites and the final result is being generated for you. When you search for something, it also gives you the links to the sources used in the response. For example, let me open one of them so you can see. This is one of the websites whose information was used to help generate the answer. And by clicking this option, you can see all the sources that were used and open them one by one to read the full article. Now another prompt to compare two products. What are the differences between Galaxy S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max? It's comparing the two phones from different aspects, which makes it a good answer. Alright, let's check a few of the sources it used to get this answer. Let's take a look at different agents to see which ones have this feature. The first one is DeepSeek, which has this option. The next one is Qwen, which also has the search capability. Starting with Gemini 2.0, Google Search is available as a tool. This means that the model can decide when to use Google Search. It seems that Copilot doesn't have an option for web search, but it might still benefit from search when generating answers. In Claude, web search is currently available as a feature preview for paid Claude.ai users in the United States using Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Here's a prompt to check the stock market for a particular company, let's say Apple. Show me Apple Inc.'s stock rates and prices for the last 30 days. It analyzed the stock market using these websites. Let's take a look at one of them. Let's see what it can do in the area of travel and leisure. Give me a list of the best cafes in Paris that are highly rated by tourists. Wow, that's incredible. It even shows the locations on the map, and below that, it lists the names of the coffee shops along with their addresses. You can also use the Google Maps directions feature to find your route from your current location to the desired coffee shop. Let's make it a bit more challenging. I want it to give me the address of a specific location. Can you find someone for me who can fix my door lock in the Solna of Stockholm? Great. It found it. Let me test one of them to see if it's correct. Yes, it's correct. On the left side, you can see a photo of the shop and its phone number. Now I want to find a plane ticket. Find the cheapest flight from London to Dubai in May 2025. Let's see what it does. Ah, I see. You didn't want the website recommendation. You wanted to give the exact flight details. Go ahead and give it a new prompt. Great. Now it worked exactly as you wanted. It provided the exact flight details along with the ticket price. Let me open the first one and see what it is. Yes, it's correct. Next, I want to look up a specific song. What is the most famous song of Michael Jackson? Could you give me a link to listen to it? So, it's recommended two links. I opened the first one, but it doesn't work. Then I opened the second one, which is a YouTube link, and it's the song it recommended. ChatGPT even has browser extensions. One of them is called ChatGPT Search, which I'll install in Chrome. With it, instead of typing a website address in a new tab, you can write a phrase or sentence of what you want to search. Tell me about IBM history. Whenever you want your search to be done through Google, just press the Change It Back button. You can also remove the extension through this method. Keep in mind that, as I'm recording this tutorial, the free versions have daily limits. Meanwhile, Google search engine doesn't have that limitation, and that's a key difference between using Google Search and ChatGPT's search. I hope you enjoyed this part of the tutorial.